Assalamu alaikum students. I am Mrs. Mazera telling you about the history of Pakistan. Today we are going to learn Simla Deputation 1906. First of all, I need to break the term and give you the meaning of the term. Simla actually a hill station in India, and deputation means a group of people appointed to undertake a mission or take part in a formal process on behalf of a larger group. The political scene of India was affected by the strong political activities of the Congress, which had no rival competitor in the political arena. The Muslims believed that only organized effort would lead them to success. The Muslims had watched the reaction of Hindus to the partition of Bengal with dismay. They saw a massive wave of organized protest, which they feared would result in the partition being reversed. They knew that the Muslims were not able to provide such a level of protest to maintain the partition. Further, the Indian National Congress was dominated by Hindus, and the Muslims feared that Hindu agitation would lead to Hindi becoming the national language, or even to Muslims being forcibly converted to Hinduism. When the new liberal government was elected in Britain in 1905, Muslim fears grew. The liberals had stated that the liberal had stated that they would increase local participation in the government of India through elections. Since the Hindus were in the majority, the Muslims feared that they would soon be dominated by Hindus in local government. It was time to act. Then what happened actually in the meeting? Actually, on 8th of October 1906, a deputation of prominent Muslims led by the Aga Khan with 35 other members visited Viceroy Minto at Simla. There they requested that the position of Muslims in India should be estimated not merely on their numerical strength but in respect to political importance of their community and the service it was rendered to the empire. Their demands were set out in what he became known as the Simla Deputation. It was the first attempt of the Muslims to present their demands to the British government. Muslim delegation met with Viceroy Lord Minto in Simla, October 1906. You can see the picture of Sir Aga Khan and Nawab Mohsinul Mulk. Now, what are the demands of the Muslim in the Simla Deputation? They ask that in all local and provincial elections, Muslims should have their own representatives who would be elected only by Muslim voters. Then, in the council, the Muslims should have a higher percentage of seats than their percentage of the population. They need separate electorates for Muslims too. What are the outcomes of the Simla Deputation? Lord Minto gave a patient hearing to the demand of Muslims presented by the Simla Deputation. He promised to give sympathetic consideration to the demand and assured the deputation that he would do all what was possible to accept the demands. It was a great achievement of the Simla Deputation to have convinced the Viceroy about the genuineness of Muslims' demand. The Muslims were now convinced that organized effort were always essential to press for the acceptance of the demand. At this time, Muslims had left the Congress and had no organization of their own to project their demands. They badly needed a forum for the projection and safeguard of their interest to counter the false propaganda of Congress. This led to the formation of Muslim League to protect and safeguard of their interest to counter the false propaganda of the Congress. Now, task to do. You have to write down Simla deputation was a very important step on the roadway to the formation of Pakistan. Do you agree with the statement? If yes or no, justify your answer with strong reasons.